Welcome back. Now, another area to customize is going to be your cover. And what we're going to do is we're going to go back to edit our shop. And what you're going to notice here is that you can upload a photo. If we click that photo, you're going to notice that you are recommended to use one of the photo formats and then an image that is at least 500 pixels by 500 pixels. Now, once again, we can create this image inside of Canva. So what we're going to do is come back to the home page. We're then going to type in Etsy. And you're going to see that we have a listing for an Etsy shop icon, which is going to be 500 by 500. And you'll see here that we can use one of the designs. Now, one of the other things we can do is we can use an existing design that we have. And we can take something that we've made. And what we can try to do is we can try to resize it so that it fits into what we want it to be. Now, we can click this resize button. And what we can do here is we can then type in 500 by 500. And what we're then going to do is click copy and resize. And so basically what we're using is we're using another version of what we've already created. Now, what we can also do is we can then just redo the image altogether. And so we can take one of the existing templates and then we can replace the current page. What we can then do is we can then write in what we want it to be. And once again, this is not a full-blown tutorial on the use of Canva. However, what we can do is we can use it in order to create what we want it to be. We can save it. We can always come back to Canva and we can redo this when we're ready to have something that is more branded. So once we've done that, we're just going to download the image just as we did the other. We're then going to head back to Etsy. What we're then going to do is we're going to click on top of the image. We're going to choose the file that we just created. We're then going to open it into our Etsy store. We're then going to click Save. And then if we like our listing, we're then going to click Looks Good. And then we will have our cover image for our store. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.